Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Patil. So friends, today we will see the book list for mains. We have seen the book list for NCRTs ki NCRT कौन सी पढ़नी है. Now let's start with the mains because again mains का syllabus is very vast and many a times बहुत सारे aspirants confuse हो जाते हैं कि which books to read. See again this is my book list. I have read these books in my both the attempts. The first attempt which I have given and I got into Indian Police Service and second into Indian Administrative Service. So both these times I have referred these books and I have made notes. Those really help me to clear the exam both the times. So friends, for General Studies 1, we can refer this Fine Arts NCERT, the Art and Culture का जो भी syllabus है, we can refer to the Fine Arts NCERT and Nitin Singhania. Again, Fine Arts NCERT में से maximum portion cover हो जाता है. Again, see, दो questions आते हैं. Again, very unpredictable questions. तो many a times ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपने कुछ पढ़ा ही ना. But you should read this anyway. You read this for prelims, and those short notes will help you for mains as well. For modern Indian history, no need to go beyond this for mains anyway because they ask only conceptual things. So Spectrum and Dipan Chandra, like both these books, I think they'll do the work. For post independence, there is one vision ka एक value addition material है some 40 pages. Again, no need to read some bulk book like India since independence or something like that. I think, but with this I would recommend one source, that is model answers. Model answer जो भी रहेंगे, जो जितने भी टॉपिक्स है, जैसे नेहरू जी का इरा है, नेहरू जी के टाइम में जो भी चीजें हुई है, या 5 year प्लान में क्या क्या इंडिया की ग्रोथ हुई है, things like this, these can be covered through these model answers. Okay. Then the next is world history. Again, world history ka hardly they ask one question. Okay, so again, no need to read Norman Lewis or something like that, Norman law book. Okay, because many people do suggest heavy books, but I won't suggest it or I won't recommend it. So you should read some simple sources. I have recommended 2 NCRTs earlier. Arjun Dev ki NCRT मैंने recommend की है. Those NCRTs along with the, maybe you can refer to the handwritten notes of Awadh Oja sir जो वाजीराम में पढ़ाते थे. Okay, now he is there I think at next test. So you can refer his handwritten notes जो internet पे मिलेंगे. And then model answer of mock test of various classes के लिए क्रिस्प सोर्स होता है जिसमें लाइक इन लाइक लेट्स से मैंने रेफर किए थे आई थिंक फोरम आईएस के. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, इन वन टेस्ट यू कवर 20 डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स because they'll ask one question on American Revolution, one question on French Revolution, something like that. So in a one go you can cover many topics. Okay. Then Indian society के लिए again these NCRTs मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है, but again I won't recommend them. Okay, अगर आपके पास टाइम है, if you are preparing since college, then you can read those NCRTs. लेकिन फिर विजन आयस का एक वैल्यू एडिशन मटेरियल आता है, that is helpful. But मैंने मेरे नोट्स भी ऑलरेडी आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल. ओके, टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मैंने ऑलरेडी नोट्स अपलोड कर दिए हैं मेरे. यू कैन रेफर दोस नोट्स. बट आई वुड सजेस्ट मॉडल आंसर जितने भी टॉपिक है, जैसे ग्लोबलाइजेशन है या ग्लोबलाइजेशन का टॉपिक हो या हंगर हो, पावर्टी हो, और इट इज रिलेटेड टू विमेन. ओके, ऑल दीज टॉपिक्स पे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. दीज क्वेश्चंस दे आर सेट अप बाय दिस series people and you can refer to the model answers and you can make notes from those. It is just a matter of 2 to 3 days to make notes of Indian society, but they are asking many questions from Indian society, so you should definitely refer to this. Then geography के लिए I won't suggest to do many sources. 11th का NCERT fundamentals of physical geography, and along with that some current affair के question they are asking. If you can see the trend, they are asking some current affair question. And along with that geography videos on YouTube by Rajtani Solanki, ये I think Mrunal sir के channel पे है, so you can refer to her videos. I think this is enough for GS1. Now GS2 में there are 3 portions. One is Indian polity. Indian polity के there are some 10-11 topics. It is related to parliament, it is related to judiciary, it is related to your separation of power. ओके सो इस पे एक क्वेश्चन आता है, सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर पे एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, या जुडिशरी पे एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, लेजिस्लेचर पे एक आएगा, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज पे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, फंडामेंटल राइट्स पे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. सो आवर मेजर सोर्स वुड बी एम लक्ष्मीकांत, देन 11th एनसीईआरटी फॉर फंडामेंटल अंडरस्टैंडिंग, देन विजन आईएएस का जो मतलब जो भी आप करंट अफेयर्स का सोर्स होगा, करंट अफेयर का जो भी सोर्स होगा, दैट सोर्स, nothing more than that. Many people do refer to Yam Puri notes. I haven't read them, but they do say that these notes are good. Yam Puri. Okay, so maybe you can refer to those notes as well. Then social justice and governance, you should make notes of this, because topics like NGOs, topics like SHGs, they are frequently citizen charter, public service delivery, role of civil servant, role of civil servant, governance, जितने भी topics हैं, definitely these questions are frequently asked, repeatedly asked, so you should make notes of this. So Vision IAS का एक value addition material है जो recently renew किया है, you can refer that. Then नीति आयोग के report से definitely you will get lot of information. Then second ARC की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा summary पढ़नी है, no need to read the entire report, maybe you can read the summary and that will suffice. Then ये थोड़ा सा देख लेना, पुंची कमीशन एंड सरकारिया कमीशन, because since last 2-3 years the questions from governance portion, they are coming like deep, they demand deep understanding of the entire subject. So I would recommend that if you can go through the summary of the Punchi Commission and Sarkaria Commission, okay, that would be really helpful to you to get more marks. Because in general study too, both the times I got decent marks. In 2018 I got 110 marks, and after that I got 101, I think. Okay, so definitely you should refer to this. For IR, I won't suggest you to read any source rather than current affairs. Only current affairs is enough. Okay, विजन आईएएस का इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन का दिस यू कैन रीड. आपको अगर थोड़ा बहुत इसके रिलेटेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग चाहिए तो एक विजन आईएएस का अगेन विजन आईएएस का एक वैल्यू एडिशन मटेरियल आता है. सो उसमें सारे कंट्री जैसे इंडिया का श्रीलंका के साथ कैसे रिलेशन है, यूएस के साथ कैसे है, सो सम बैकग्राउंड इज देयर. इफ यू वांट टू रीड दैट देन रेफर टू राज्यसभा टीवी वीडियोस. ये तो मैं स्ट्रांगली रेकमेंड करूंगा. फॉर जीएस2 राज्यसभा वीडियोस आर मस्ट, यू शुड वॉच देम. जनरल स्टडीज 3. नाउ जनरल स्टडीज 3 में यहाँ पे देयर आर मल्टीपल जो हेड्स है. One is your Indian economy. Indian economy में again they ask questions related to current affairs. So current affair can be covered from Vision IAS or any current affair source. Budget document, economic survey. ये चीजों से आपका हो जाएगा current affair cover. Okay, economic survey. But there are some topics such as inclusive growth, such as related to infrastructure. These topics can be covered from the Vision. ये नीति आयोग का जो India at 75 report, this is again must. India at 75 you must read. India at 75 बहुत अच्छा report है. It adds value to your answers. Okay, so you should read this. Then Vision IAS value addition material. Again, this will give you some insights. This will be really helpful to you. Then Indian agriculture. Okay, Indian agriculture and जो इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर है इसमें विजन आईएएस का वैल्यू एडिशन मटेरियल. ओके, विजन आईएएस का वैल्यू एडिशन मटेरियल अगेन विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू because there are some 7-8 topics. And for these 7-8 topics I think इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर, क्योंकि ये प्रेडिक्टेबल क्वेश्चंस है तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं एंड वो इजी भी होते हैं. सो दिस वैल्यू एडिशन मटेरियल विल बी रियली यूजफुल टू यू. देन विजन आईएएस मेंस 365 का जो भी है, ये मेंस का भी पढ़ना है. और इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में सी इफ यू कैन सर्च, इफ देयर इज वन टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू एग्रीकल्चर, लेट्स से वो टॉपिक है, ओके, let's say that topic is related to so you are seeing that Indian agriculture. So I would say Indian Express में आप कोई भी एक सर्च करते हो जैसे use of technology in agriculture, you will get a lot of articles. Okay, so definitely you should do that. Then science and tech, again it is highly unpredictable कि कौन सा question आएगा इसमें. So but you can just you must cover the current affairs portion. Current affairs से कुछ अगर आता है then you can attempt that question. Then related to environment, again maximum questions they come from they do come from current affairs, but you should anyway read Shankar IAS. तो जो भी मेंस के टॉपिक मेंशन किए हुए हैं के सिलेबस में जो भी मेंशन किए हैं, इससे ज्यादा कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज समथिंग, ये एरिया से क्वेश्चंस ज्यादा आ रहे हैं. ओके, लुक आउट फॉर दिस. Okay, many questions are coming from this. Then disaster management, I have already shared handwritten notes of Vaishali ma'am. वैशाली मैम के मैंने हैंडरिटन नोट्स मेरे ग्रुप पे शेयर किए. मेरे भी कुछ कंसाइज नोट्स मैंने टेलीग्राम चैनल पे शेयर किए. इट्स द नेम ऑफ माय टेलीग्राम चैनल. ओके, सो आई हैव शेयर्ड दोस नोट्स देयर. यू कैन रेफर टू दोस नोट्स एंड आई थिंक नथिंग उससे ज्यादा कुछ, क्योंकि आई हैव कवर्ड all the disaster I have covered. Then internal security, yellow book of Wajiram and Vision ISK Maze 365. Again, no need to go beyond this because almost everything is covered in this. But जितने भी topics mention किए हैं, जैसे कि border security या related to something, let's say terrorism, let's say related to drugs trafficking or money laundering, all these topics are mentioned in the syllabus, and you must make the notes of each and every topic. Then general studies 4, I have made a separate video for GS4. GS4 का मैंने already एक separate video किया है. Okay, so here I will only mention about this briefly. मैं थोड़ा सा briefly mention करूंगा यहाँ पे. One is Decode Ethics book by Mudit Jain. Decode Ethics book by Mudit Jain. You can refer to that. This book is good. Mudit Jain का book is good. Okay. And then this Wajiram ka handwritten notes, again these notes are useful. There is one detailed video I have already made on ethics. I got really good marks, 144 marks. Okay, so you should do this. And then model answers of mock test. See, I focused most of the time on model answers and crisp sources rather than referring to huge sources. Okay, that was my strategy. Many people do suggest different kind of strategy, but at least that was my strategy. Okay, so these were the sources for the mains. I hope you can cover your entire syllabus from these sources. So all the best, people. Okay.